guys, it's Isha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. We would love to have you as part of the family, so press the subscribe button to join us. I'm making a haul video today and I'm so excited about this video. I have been dying to do a haul since the beginning of time. All these are drugstore products. Nothing is overpriced, nothing is too expensive. I don't think anything is above 1200 rupees in this entire video. Nykaa sales are just the best time and place to order stuff because everything just gets super cheap. You get like 2-3 things free. Let's just get on with the video. Start telling you guys everything I bought. It's not a lot of stuff, so it's not gonna take a lot of time. My hair is really not sitting well today. I just kind of put my hair up because it was being a big fat bitch. It really annoys me when I watch people's YouTube videos and they're just going on talking forever. So we're gonna try and avoid that as much as possible. I'm gonna be really snappy and to the point. The girl is learning the tricks of YouTube. The first thing I want to show you is this eyeshadow palette. It's called the Brave Spirit palette. This is not a very popular palette, you guys, and I had no idea about this palette even existing. I found this and when I saw the shades, I was blown away. Look at how colorful and cute these shades are. I am absolutely shook. I was instantly attracted to the pink and the purple and the orange. Just can't wait to put these on my eyeballs. It is beautiful, you guys. I'm just gonna swatch 1 or 2 shades. So I'm gonna swatch this one. These don't even have any names. They're just like random shades. I don't know if you can tell, but that color payoff is insane. And it's even better in real life. If you're in the market for a colorful eyeshadow palette and you want to inject some color in your life, this is the one, baby girl. Guys, I totally forgot to tell you the price of this palette. This was 850 rupees. I got it on a discount since we have the Nykaa sale happening right now, and this cost me around 650-60 rupees, something like that. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is, what is it gonna be? So this is the Makeup Revolution Luxurious baking powder in the shade Banana. If you are an OG and you've been watching my makeup tutorials, you will know that I am in grave need for a new setting powder. So I do love this little banana powder, but I was a little bit disappointed because it's quite tiny. It's this small and it looks pretty big on the website for some odd reason. And this one was, I think it was, this one was 850 rupees. So I was in the market for a nice contour palette and I found this one on Nykaa. So this one is also kind of affordable and I am into that. This is a good palette. As you can see, I've had quite a bit of use out of this one already and I literally got this 3 or 4 days ago. I've actually been trying to see the different ways in which I can use it. If you want to get that sculpted look, this is a good one for you. This is medium 02 and I think this is amazing for a person who has medium skin tones like me. I did expect this to be a tad bit lighter. The shade range is a little bit dark. So if you're any lighter than me, then this probably won't work for you. You should go for the light one. Again, this is super affordable. It was around 850 to 900 rupees. Don't worry, I will link everything below. I think that is super affordable because you get a color correcting shade, a highlighting shade, 2-3 contour shades, and you can conceal with these ones as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys is my new foundation. Now I am genuinely so obsessed with this one. This is the cult favorite, I believe. I'm so late to the party, I don't know why. This is the L'Oreal 24 Hours Fresh Wear Infallible Foundation. I forgot the main word. Infallible. It is amazing. If you guys are looking at a long wearing medium coverage foundation, this shit is it. It's so freaking good. I've heard so many YouTubers rave about it. I finally decided to get it. I understand why everybody's been raving about it now because this literally has the best formula. It is super buildable and this might look like it's a little bit light on my face, but it does oxidize a lot once you have it on, so do choose your shade carefully. This was 1200 rupees. This is the most expensive thing in this entire haul and I'm in the shade 140 Golden Beige. I have one more foundation to show you guys. Now this is more of an everyday kind of foundation. I was looking for something that I can use when I go to work and I can easily throw into my bag, you know, use it to conceal. So I picked up the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in 04. I believe this shade is Warm Honey. I think it's Warm Honey. I hope it's more money. Such an affordable foundation. So it is slightly dark for my skin tone, as you can tell. Might not look like it now, but I'm gonna swatch it and show you guys. You can see that it's okay. I'm sorry, I have some swatches. Great. Alright, now can you see that this is a tad bit darker than my skin tone? It's more on the yellowy side, which I do like because I feel like warmer shades suit me much more. But this is a little bit dark, which I think should be fine once I start going to work because I tan very easily, and generally my skin tone is at least 1 or 2 shades darker than this because I'm in the sun a lot. I can't comment much on the formula of this one because I haven't tested it out. When I do, I will definitely give you guys a bit of an update in one of my videos, and you also do get a lot of product on this. Wow, this is a good foundation if you're looking at something for every day. In fact, you can even use this as a concealer. That's what I'm gonna do. I thought I got so much stuff, but I didn't actually get that much stuff. Now that I look at it, I wanted to get a new eyeliner because I'm really into this new feline liner look. This is a Nykaa Get Inked liquid liner. This is actually one of those felt tip pen liners, and I have been testing it out since the past 2 days, but since my eyes have been watering, I have had to reapply this a couple of times. Although I have to say that this is a really good liner because the pen, the actual tip, is really precise, so you can achieve a really nice precise wing with this. If you're new to making your wing or getting your wing liner, I definitely recommend this. Is a good liner. This liner is matte. It does not dry glossy. I know that some people hate liners that dry glossy, and I'm one of them. There's just something weird about it. This dries matte, so it's great. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys really quick just so you see how thin the tip can be. That precise line, you guys. Alright, so since we're already on eyes, I want to show you the last thing that I got in terms of my eyes. It is the Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational. This is my favorite mascara. I think I've been through like 5 or 6 different bottles of this mascara, and this can never do you wrong. It's affordable as hell. This is like 500 rupees. I did get the waterproof one, but that is because the washable one was out of stock. If they did have the washable one, I would have not even looked at the waterproof one because I hate waterproof mascaras. Okay, let's jump on to lips. I have a few interesting lip products that I'm really excited to talk to you guys about. I have found 2 amazing brown lip liners. So I'm a medium skin tone, and I need a brown lip liner to overline my lips. These are amazing and so freaking affordable, you guys. It's insane. So the first one I'm going to show you is this one by Milani. It's called the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, and this is the shade Spice. I'm going to show you guys the shade really quickly so you know what I'm talking about. So this is what the shade looks like. It's the perfect brown to overline your lips. It's creamy. It's long wearing, really good dupe for the matte lip liners. If you're looking at not spending too much money and getting a good lip liner, you definitely have to go for this one. This is priced at rupees 530 if I'm not wrong, and I think this is worth every single penny. The second one we have is even more affordable. This is the Wet n Wild lip liner in cashew nut. Can we please talk about how much product you're getting here? Because this is insane to me. This lip liner is priced at rupees 135. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It's a perfect chocolate brown. This is in the shade Chestnut. So this is the Milani one. This is the, excuse my ratchet looking nails. This is the Wet n Wild one. Definitely go check this out. I think I'm going to go and buy like 10 of these because what the hell? This is the price of a Red Bull. I wanted to get a new liquid lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks, and I wanted something that's a little bit nude. It's what I'm wearing right now. So right now on my lips I have the Wet n Wild lip liner mixed with this liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Seduction. I love NYX as a brand. I think they do some really amazing drugstore makeup. I think this is priced at around 650 or 700 rupees. I think that is insane for a good liquid lipstick because the formula of these is so good. It's so long wearing. You're literally going to get so much use out of this. This doesn't get over really quickly. It's not the fluffiest applicator in the world, but honestly, I don't really care about the applicator. It's a very corally, peachy nude with a little bit of brown undertone shade, so it's amazing for Indian skin tones, especially if you're on the warmer side. I have another lipstick. This was actually free since I bought a lot of stuff from the Nykaa original brand, the Masaba collection, and I'm actually really happy I got this one. A lot of brands will give you a free lipstick, but it'll be a really shitty shade, so that is really annoying. But this one I'm really happy with actually. It's a nice summery pink. I feel like this is such a nice shade for every day. You know, to just throw onto your lips, even if you're wearing no makeup. This is just a nice pop of color to have. And I love the packaging, guys. How cute is this? This is the O3 Professional Bubble Sheet Mask. Now, you guys, I have been so curious about these sheet masks, especially the bubble ones. I mean, I've tried all other kinds of sheet masks, but this bubble sheet mask, girl, I don't know, I never bought one because they were always for like 700-800 rupees for one sheet mask, which I don't think makes sense. I found this one by O3 Professional, and it's their Power Brightening Bubble Sheet Mask. If you don't know what a bubble sheet mask is, by the way, it just bubbles up completely. You can Google a photo and you'll almost look like a cloud, if that makes any sense. I want to look like a cloud. I'm excited about that. I want to show you some other things that I got. These are not from Nykaa, but since I'm doing a haul, I might as well include these, right? You know those beautiful beauty center type of shops that we have all around Bombay? I got this from one of those near my house. Wow, this eyeliner is killing it. Anyway, those were open for 1-2 days, so I just ran to the stores and I got them, to be honest. I want to talk about hair removal. A lot of girls have been struggling with removing hair during quarantine, me included. So I picked up the Hip Hop Skincare Waxing Strips. Now this is the brightening variant. I am not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but these are good if you're looking at doing that. I also picked up these, they say that these are eyebrow razors, but I think that you can use this for your entire face. If you guys are not aware, there is this process, or a procedure rather, that you can get done at a dermatologist called dermaplaning, and it's basically shaving your face with one of these. This is the razor, and it's actually really sharp, and the first time I did this I cut my face all over. But the good thing about this is that you don't even know how much peach fuzz you have on your face until you try and take it out. If you're heavily into beauty and makeup like me, then you have to give this a shot, because you're gonna love the way your makeup looks after you shave your face. And don't worry, the hair doesn't grow back thicker or anything like that. I ran out of my body wash, ran out of my toothpaste, so I thought, why not show you guys the new ones I got. So this is the St. Ives Even and Bright body wash. Now this one I am obsessed with, you guys. This is so good. My 5th bottle of the same body wash, and it smells like a dream. I bought this for 275 rupees, and you get so much body wash in this. It's supposed to give your skin this radiance and detan it and give it an even skin tone, and I do think it does all of those things, to be very honest. St. Ives is a really good brand. If you haven't tried stuff from there, you have to try it. Their face scrubs are like the OG. Can't believe the last thing I'm showing you is toothpaste. I got the Colgate Optic White Extra Power toothpaste. This is great actually, and I love these whitening toothpaste by Colgate. The Indian one, the imported one, all of them are great. They actually make your teeth whiter, in my opinion. So that is it from me. That's the entire haul. And let me see if I have something else. Nope, that's it. That's the entire haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, give it a like. Let me know what other kind of content you want to see in the future. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you don't hate this face, then you should. So I will see you in my next video. Love you guys so much.